My name is Christi Jones, and I'm a sales rep for VHT. I started with Vapor Honing Technologies in November of 2018. I've worked in customer service and management for, 25 years. I've met a lot of amazing people, both in our staff and in our customers.
Hi Bob, how you doing? Good. Wonderful, I'm exhausted.
For me, the main focus is helping the customer. I want to make sure they get the product they need and can solve the problems that they're having.
Thanks Bob, I hope you have a great day.
VHT is fun, like the process is fun, the people are fun, we celebrate together, and we have cried together. Just all around a joy to come to work every day. It's hard for me to really choose a favorite customer story because all my customers are special to me. But sometimes you have that customer that you just really connect with. I had a customer that I probably emailed with 60 times, just answering questions for him and asking him questions so that I could make sure I got him the best possible fit for his purposes. So after all these emails back and forth, I get a phone call from his wife. And she wanted to actually order his machine for his birthday. So to me, that was really special because I got to be a part of a great surprise for him for his birthday. Vapor Honing Technologies is about more than cleaning parts or prepping parts for coatings. It's about more than machines and abrasives. Vapor Honing Technologies is about belonging to a group of people who care. It's not just a job, we're family. I'm proud to be a part of the Vapor Honing Technologies family, and I look forward to helping you become part of our family too.